They're going to rescue somebody, I guess. That's towboat. 2 towboats.
Well, we saw I don't know whether it was Towboat US who was taking it through or not, but we saw a catamaran come through yesterday that they were towing. Although it looked like hurricane damage, so I don't know
Right.
whether it even was a new issue or whether they were just
Well, you can get unlimited towing, so they probably just had damage and waited to get moved if it was a hurricane issue. Yeah, we travel all over doing reef restoration and eternal reefs, putting cremated remains in reefs and dropping them all over the country. Plus the boat, we do the videos for everything.
Nice.
Yeah.
Are you one of these?
Yeah,
too?
the little one here with all the.
Nice.
I knew he was waiting on the lock. I just didn't know why it was taking so long.
Well, it seems like the guy, I don't know, he's a little pokey sometimes.
It may be the amount of water you've got to drop down, because this is the last lock, so it's probably 2 feet. Because the last one was 2 feet. And the lake's 16 feet, and they normally maintain it at 12, so there's a 4-foot drop between the locks.
They were letting water out of the spillway yesterday.
They were.
Been down there yet today.
Right. Yeah, they were letting it go the other way too, because we actually anchored out by the Moorhaven lock, which is on the other side of, and it kept our boat straight all night long. Yeah, we put all this on YouTube.
Nice.
If you do the hashtag Capt Nikki, you'll see us all over the country.
Well, we'll have to add you to our repertoire.
Yeah. She raises money on TikTok for veterans. We have a nonprofit where we raise money for veterans. We've got a new Daytona thing we're doing this year, and next year we've got a challenge between Daytona and Sturgis to raise money. So we're always busy doing something. And the nice part is mostly water related, so
yeah,
we get free boat rides all over the country.